Microsoft has just unveiled a major rebuild of Copilot Studio, and it's a fundamental shift in how organizations can build AI agents. Instead of simple, single-step chatbots, this preview introduces a platform designed for complex, multi-step work that actually completes tasks reliably. The team behind it focused on solving the real problems that plagued earlier agent building tools: unpredictability, fragile workflows, and limited integration. Let's break down what's changed and why it matters. There's a lot to unpack in this release, so here's what we're covering. First, we'll look at more reliable agent building and the architectural changes that make it possible. Then, we'll dive into intelligent end-to-end workflows and how agents now handle multi-step processes with context. After that, we'll walk through getting started with the preview and how it coexists with the classic Copilot Studio experience. If you want real-world, hands-on projects building agentic solutions, this course is for you. It uses the Claude SDK, the toolkit for building agents, to teach you how to create Microsoft 365 administration agents. You'll build agents for user lifecycle management and security investigations. Check it out, link in the description. Microsoft has rebuilt Copilot Studio based on direct customer feedback. People wanted to build more capable agents that can handle multi-step tasks reliably without breaking down, and they needed a more intuitive building experience so more team members can contribute. The result is a streamlined authoring experience with a modern AI core, designed to help teams create solutions faster that hold up better in real-world use. This update is available now in public preview worldwide, and agents can be created for production environments. The focus here is on creating agents that work as expected from the start. The way agents follow instructions and handle complex tasks has been strengthened, leading to more consistent results for business scenarios. The building experience itself has been streamlined to bring essential configurations to the forefront, reducing the number of configuration tabs from 9 down to 4. Together, these changes make it faster to build agents that are more reliable, more capable, and more efficient. You can try the new Agent Building Designer right inside Copilot Studio. Workflows are the heart of reliable automation, and the new Workflow Designer lets you build intelligent, AI-driven processes all in one place. It combines structured workflow steps with agents, so you can orchestrate predictable, step-by-step logic alongside more open-ended agent tasks. This unified approach means you can design an entire business process that moves seamlessly between deterministic automation and adaptive AI reasoning. These updates bring together tools to modernize business processes with AI on one unified platform. You can use workflows for predictable steps, agents for more open-ended work, and combine both to automate processes end-to-end. To get started, any maker can go to Copilot Studio and click Try Now at the top of the homepage. The new experience and the classic experience coexist, so you can continue managing your existing agents and workflows while exploring the new interface at your own pace. The Copilot Studio team is continuing to improve the product based on user feedback, which can be shared using the feedback control in the top right corner. So that's the rebuilt Copilot Studio in a nutshell: a more dependable, workflow-focused platform for building agents that can actually finish the job. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools shaping how we work with AI.